Hey YouTube, Blastoise TV here. I'm bringing another opening. This time we're going to be opening a Zapdos Legendary Birds Blister Pack. As you can see, it comes with 3 booster packs, Steam Siege, Breakthrough, and Primal Clash. And it comes with a Zapdos pin. I'll open it up, I'll show you the pin, and then we'll open the packs. I did open an Articuno one of these before, and I pulled the Secret Rare YouTube full art out of it, so I'm hoping for the same luck today. I went back to my Walmart to see if they're maybe put out the evolution stuff, but still nothing there, so I figured I'd pick something up anyways and make another video. So here we are. So here we are. Steam Siege. A little Primal Clash, Breakthrough, Steam Siege. Get this out of the way. Okay, and here is the Zapdos pin. Focus in on it for you. There you go. Zapdos pin. Pretty nice. As you can see, I have the Articuno one as well. Set that right here. Okay, so we got the 3 packs. We'll start with Primal Clash. One, two, three. With the reverse and rare to the back. Okay, and this pack starts with a Bidoof. There's a Tangela. Shroomish, Trico, Zigzagoon, Rare Candy Trainer, Buffon, Gorbise, Reverse Oliver Rhydon, and that's just an uncommon. And right in the pack, a Kyogre non-holo. It's weird seeing legendaries non-holo. I remember back in the day, the original sets, they were never non-holos. Here we come with this Breakthrough pack. Pack check here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have a Snover, Cacnea, Spritzy, Ghastly, Doduo, Parallel City, Gramble, Haunter, so there's a Ghastly and a Haunter in this pack, Reverse Hollow of an Axew, that's just uncommon, and the rare in the pack, a Gengar Hollow. So this is the whole, got every card in the lineup here. Ghastly, Haunter, Gengar in order. That is pretty cool. Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon, so great pull right there. Really like the artwork on that card too. It's very nice. Okay. And finally, we'll open the Steam Siege pack. Open. Here's a code card for you. 2 and 3. Okay, in this pack we have Oshawott, Ponyard, Ponyta, Clink, Mantine, Fletchender, Skiploom, Claw Fossil Anorith, Reverse Hollow of, and Yveltal, and that is a rare. That's a great pull. And the final card in this opening is a Volcanion EX. What a great way to end this video with a Volcanion EX. Great pull there. And I'll just pull out my 3 cards that were the best in this opening. So we got the Volto Reverse Holo. Then we got the Gengar Holo, which we got Ghastly Haunter and Gengar in 1 pack. And then obviously the Volcanion EX. Well, thank you everybody for watching. Check out the links below, my Twitter and everything, and I'll catch you next time. This is Blastoise TV signing out.